think the situation in our country will ever improve vis-a-vis politics?
I think so. I think so. Gradually, it's going to take its time, but it is. As literacy will improve, as younger people will start coming in, as strong as the media is getting, which creates some kind of fear within the so-called politicians or anybody to do whatever they should do and what they should not do, and awareness with the people. So I think all that is happening, and all that will get to accumulate, and the things will change. The things are changing.
Do you think this film will encourage the youth to join politics or discourage? Like, just watching this film, will you feel like it's...
I think it should encourage. I hope it does. Because I really believe that we all keep talking, we all say politics is a dirty business, dirty game, whatever. But how do you clean it up? By getting into it. Otherwise, it's not going to. You can't just keep complaining. And who's going to get into it? I would have got into politics, but I really believe that I'm not cut for politics. I would be a waste there. So
why do you say that? Because you're very intense. You think very deeply about things.
I think you need to not be smart. You need to be over smart to be in politics. So you need to tackle other people more than yourself in politics, which I'm not very good at. So, but I think the youngsters, the youth has to get in. Today, I think things are changing. People are finding Rahul as a role model and things like this, which is very good because when such people will get into politics, I think the youth will also get into politics, and good things will happen. Because after an age, then you really don't. You start getting a little. That's what I believe. Yeah. Getting a little selfish, and you start feeling that okay, I've done enough for everybody. I do something for myself. That's what I see in most of the people.
What do you think of Rahul Gandhi as a leader?
I really don't know much, but he seems very positive. He seems to be doing the right thing, and he's straightforward. So there are lot of hopes on him, and it is very positive. So let's just hope for the best.
A film of yours that actually encouraged, I'm sure, more than just me to think about entering politics was Yuva.
Yeah.
That was a film that really got the youth thinking that you can make a difference.
Yeah.